Hey fellas, just put together the Reader Products grinder. I told you I'd make a little video. I'm going to do a full review once I get the attachments all in. Just got the table built, everything cut and fitted. I want to thank Chuck Lonnie for helping me get this VFD together, hooked up to the motor. I'm not an electrician, so I needed all the help I can get. Let's start this thing up and you guys can hear it. I got the wheels from Ameribraid. Saved myself $100 rather than buying them through Reader Products. If you guys didn't know, this will lay down horizontal as well. So I'll show you here. All you do is loosen this bolt right here. Lift up on the grinder, pull it out. Doing this one-handed kind of sucks. And it just lays down here. And as long as you got some cutouts in your table, it'll lay down perfectly. Just like that. We've also got the tool rest here. As well as an arm for a contact wheel. So like I said, I'll do a full review once I get all the attachments in so I can show you guys what all they do. If you guys know anything about grinders and how expensive they are, you'll see that this is probably one of the best priced grinders out there for what you get. I'll do my review probably in my next day off or when I get all the attachments in. So talk to you guys later.